Next on our list is font weight CSS property. In CSS, the font weight property controls how bold or thin text appears. Just one more text property. In the example above, all paragraphs on the web page would appear bold. The font weight property has another value, normal. And why does it exist? If we wanted all text on a web page to appear bold, we could select all text elements and change their font weight to bold. If a certain section of text was required to appear normal, however, we could set the font weight of that particular element to normal, essentially shutting off bold for that element. And in style.css, set the font weight of paragraph elements to bold. Okay, once again, modifying the paragraph elements. So in this case, font weight set to bold, and pay attention to the paragraphs on the right. And yes, the paragraphs are bolded now. Let's proceed to the next exercise.